So I just had an epic business fail. Anyone who says that going live is easy, no, it's not. So my live that was supposed to happen today at 12. Why write a book now? 3 reasons why writing your book is what's next for your business or career. I'm just peeking over the top of my phone to my laptop. So, try to live stream with a news service, and my first time live streaming on LinkedIn, and that just did not happen. So I want to apologize to those of you who signed up. It did wind up happening about 20 minutes later on my YouTube channel. So I'm going to link that in the description below. But, even though I had an epic technology fail, I think it's a really good lesson learned that no matter what happens, we have to keep going. And I feel really urgent and really passionate about sharing the message that it is so important to really position yourself now for whatever is coming next. No matter what industry you're in, whether you're an employee or an entrepreneur or you're hybrid like me, you've got a foot in both worlds. Positioning yourself, having a personal brand, it's mandatory. It's not a nice to have anymore. It's necessary. And one of the best ways that I know, I'm biased but as a book writing coach, but one of the best ways that I know to build your brand is to write that book. It is that piece of content that just keeps on giving. We are all on all of these different platforms. And as soon as, it's seen, people can swipe away, but you can't swipe away a book. And so I did wind up doing that live stream. Like I said, I did get some of my points out, even though not the way that I wanted to, but I want to share it with you. So please check the link in the description so that you can see my impromptu live. And I share with you, if you feel that writing a book right now is urgent and necessary for positioning yourself or for positioning your business for what's next, then I definitely want to invite you to watch the live, number 1. And then number 2, I'm doing a workshop later on this month on Saturday, April 26th. And it's called, let me just move to the side so I can read my computer screen. It is called How to Write a How-To Book That's Fill in the Blanks Easy in 30 days or less. So yes, we will be working on your book. We will figure out who your target audience is, what your topic is all about. We will lay out the content, and you're going to get a plan for writing that first draft super fast. So if you or someone you know is ready to write their book now, I'm your girl. And we're not going to let a little technology slow us down. At least the platform that I'm having the workshop on, I'm already used to, so there won't be any issues there. But thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next live. I'm going to figure this out between now and next week. And if you have any tips for live streaming with Riverside, let your girl know.